Today we're going to build our money saving super easy 1 hour deck bench. Let's get started.
So you want it to cup down so it's a little higher as it weathers in the center, and that means there's going to be less water sitting on the top, less rot. So we'll use that for a template. We'll lay that on there and then just kind of draw it out and then cut it. Let's lay this on there and we'll come over here. Okay, here you go.
And then what do you do for the center? Do you
For the center,
jigsaw or do you like chip it out? Oh, look at you.
I'll probably start it this way and then I'll jig it. You ready?
Okay, you'll.
So hey, I could have done this here with a jigsaw, but you know, it's a deck. It doesn't bother me that it's not perfect. So I'm just going to use my Dremel. It's even got a really dull wood blade on there, and I'm just going to go in there and go down that 1/4 of an inch or so to get that out. So I don't think I can video that and do it at the same time, but that's what I'm going to do. I'll have this whole thing on in less than an hour. Decided to stain the underside, so this is Early American and this is Golden Oak. So I'm just going to kind of spread this out by the way here. Early American, Golden Oak. So let's just kind of spread it out. I'm going to say use Early American. It's more brown, but there's not a lot of difference in the color with this pine. I'm going to use Early American. Just so you can kind of compare the two here. It really just started to go in the last month or two, but you can see that was like $5 about 6 or 7 years ago. That's how long it lasts. And I'm going to jump down here. Much thicker. I'm going to say that'll last about 10 years if I take care of it. So yeah, it's beautiful.